guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this top knot. It's going to be my top knot bun tutorial. This is my everyday hairstyle, like this is my go-to. So I'm just going to show you how I achieved this look, and if you want to see how I got it, keep watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna just start off by taking my hair out of this. This is just a really bad bun that I did just because I just went to work earlier today, so I just put my hair like up and it's been through it, to say the least. But I'm just gonna start off by just saying like the things that I'm gonna be using in my hair first. I'm just gonna be using this. This is a mixture of water, conditioner, and oil, and I just shake it up. And this is what I spray throughout my hair just to add moisture back into it, because I like using just water, but ever since I started using this, it just really makes a difference for me. So this is what I use. It's like a little trick, I guess, because I don't re-put leave-in in my hair. So this is what I use instead. Then of course I just use hairstyle gel. And for my edge control, I use Edge Booster Style Factor. So I'm about to just take this bun out of my head, and I'm gonna just show y'all what I do. I'm gonna take this ponytail out. And please excuse me for any ugly faces I make. I don't know why, but when I do my natural hair, I make the ugliest faces, for real. Like, it's no joke. Oh, I put these hair ties in so tight every time. So my hair is already basically up though. So I just took it out of what I had it in today, but this is just basically what I'm gonna do. You have to get your hair really sleek. So I'm just gonna tie this like at the top with a hair tie, and we're gonna sleek the perimeter of my hair. Just take my mix, spray it all in my head. You don't want it to be like drenched, but you also don't want it to be like not wet. You just want it to be a good little soft damp, because you want it to be able to move. And I already have some leftover gel from yesterday, so you want it to just break any cast that's already in your hair to redo. Now you're just gonna take the hairstyle gel. I use a lot of gel, and you're just gonna put it all around the perimeter. I'm gonna start with the back though, because the back is what needs to be the most slick, you know? So I'm just gonna take my hairstyle gel, put it all in the back. I'm gonna take my Denman brush. I'm gonna take this ponytail at the top because I might need to tangle that, but I'm gonna take my Denman brush and just brush going up. Now you have on there, now you need to take the brush to start slicking. This process really hurts my hand. It's like really bad, but okay. Now you're gonna I'm gonna add some more gel and then actually use my brush and go through it one more time. Now I'm gonna take my hair tie and this is where I'm gonna tie it up. This part is the most crucial part because you want to make sure that it is slicked up. You want to make sure it's slicked up, like no bumps, no lumps.
Turn that up, low.
So now that it's up, I just take my edge control and I just put that around the perimeter. Now for the bun, you could leave it like this, like a little puff, you know, whatever. But you can do your buns in so many different ways. You can kind of like just twist it into some sort of bun, which is what I normally do. You can take it and literally twist it and kind of like do like a smaller bun. So what I do from here is I usually either take like a scrunchie or a smaller hair tie, or you can just take one of these and just double it up. Okay, now that I have my bun in, my top knot, it's really ninja, but now I'm just gonna do my baby hairs really subtle because that's just how I do them. Just take a little bit of your stuff. Okay y'all, so that is the end of my video. That is how I get my top knot. I just use simple eco solid gel, edge control, and some hair ties, scrunchies, whatever. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's how I do it. I do it on dirty hair all the time. I do it on dirty hair, I do it on fresh to clean hair. Literally no matter what, I'm always gonna do a top knot. Like, it's getting done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.